Hey guys, today I want to show you here the latest addition to my Bluetooth speaker collection. In this case, this is here the DCOW Flame Atmosphere speaker, or like a torch speaker. Seems to be pretty cool. So I want to show you here how this thing looks like, how it sounds like. Let's have a look into this thing here. So at first the speaker may appear really big, but it is really not that big because most of the part of the speaker here is actually the illumination part. But now let's have a look at what's in the box here. So we have here the instructions manual, shows you exactly how this thing works. Then actually some really good contact information about if you have any questions for this too. And then what else? So it comes with the charging cable here, standard USB to a micro USB. That's how you charge it. Doesn't come with a charger, you just have to provide your own power supply here. Okay, and now we have here the speaker itself. So you can see here the lower 2/3 are actually where this flame atmosphere, like torch kind of thing goes on. And then here on the very bottom, we actually have here this little thread here. This is like a 3/8 of an inch thread, so you can mount it on a tripod or a monopod or something if you want to use this thing outside, which is pretty cool. Good idea, I think. And then here, the upper third, that's where the speaker is. So it's actually a relatively tiny speaker. It's not really big. You can probably compare the sound quality to like a JBL Go or a Go 2 maybe. Then we have this control panel right on the top here. So we have this power button. I think it's also used to initiate the pairing process. And then you have the plus and minus button, which you use to raise and lower the volume, and also go to the next or the previous track. And then on the bottom, that's where you see here the pause and play button. And right now I'm already trying to pair this speaker, which is really easy. It's really no problem at all. So seems to be solid. I'm connecting this here to my laptop right now. That's where I'm going to play some music from. And then here in the middle of the button panels, that's where we have the illumination button here. So you see, this is how you turn on this torch light. There's a couple of LEDs down here. Let's see how this looks like. It's really easy to turn on and off. It doesn't seem to be connected in any way to the music that you're playing. But now let us first take a little listen here on how this speaker sounds like. Yeah, as I said before, this is a relatively small speaker, even though the package itself is kind of big because of this lamp feature, the torch feature. But it is a mono speaker, it's relatively small, so actually the sound quality that this speaker does is not that bad. So you really can compare it to like a JBL Go. Not the Go 2, because that one has a passive radiator, which this one doesn't have. But in the end, for what you pay for and the features, the torch feature that it comes with, this speaker is actually pretty good. Okay, so now let's try out this mini tripod if that is able to hold this torch. Okay, and so now let's see how the speaker looks like when we're dimming the light, because that's the real show, the real thing of this speaker here is the torch atmosphere here. So let's give this a go.